Hello everyone and welcome to another Maths tutorial video. Now I'll be discussing Form 4 Additional Mathematics Chapter 1 Functions Long Question Example 5. Okay, before that, please like this video to show your support and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming mathematics tutorial videos in the future. Alright, let me read the question now. A function f is defined by fx equals to k minus x over 5 plus 2x for all values of x except x equals to h, where k is a constant. So for question part A, state the value of h. For the question part B, given that 1 is mapped onto itself under f, find the value of k, another value of x that is mapped onto itself. Okay, I hope you will attempt this question in the future. If you could manage to solve this question, well done guys. But if you can't solve this question, no worries. I'm going to show you the step-by-step working and the solutions now. Okay, without further delay, let us start to discuss the solution for the question part A followed by the question part B now. Okay, let us start. So for the function fx to be undefined, the denominator must be equals to 0 guys for the question part A. So for that, 5 plus 2x, we need to make it such that it's equals to 0. So from here, let us continue. So this 5 from the left hand side, you move it over to the right hand side, it will become 2x equals to negative 5. So from here, to get your x, what you do, negative 5, you divide with 2. So from here, you get your x is equals to negative 5 over 2. So this value, we can equate to the h guys. So since your x is equals to h, so therefore your h value is equals to negative 5 over 2. So this will be your solution for the question part A. Okay, what does this means guys? This means that when you substitute your x is equals to negative 5 over 2, your answer will be undefined. Let us continue for the question part B. So for the question part B, so since 1 is mapped onto itself, so what is mapped onto itself means guys? So it means that your object, let's say your object is 1, when you map onto the function, you get back the same answer. So if map onto itself means your fx is equals to x. So that is the best explanation for this. If your x is 1, your fx also you'll get is 1. Okay, let us continue. So from here, your fx is k minus x divided with 5 plus 2x. So you substitute 1 into the equation. So from here, you get k minus 1 divided with 5 plus 2 in a bracket 1 equals to 1. So from here, k minus 1 divided with 5 plus 2. So from here, you get 5 plus 2, you get this 7. So this 7, you times with 1. So from here, you get k minus 1 is equals to 7. Okay, to get your k value is very simple. So this negative 1, you move it over to the right hand side, so it will become positive 1. So from here, you get your k is equals to 8. So 7 plus 1 is equals to 8. So this will be your question B part 1 answer guys. So you have already find the value of k. So we're going to look at the last question, which is another value of x that is mapped onto itself. Okay, let me turn to the next page for the remaining working. So please hold on for a moment. Okay, we're back to the question guys. Question B part 2. So for the function map onto itself, so we have must set your fx is equals to x, which I've already explained in the question B part 1. Okay, since we have already know the value of k, which is 8, so we substitute back the 8 inside. So from here, 8 minus x divided with 5 plus 2x, we make it such that it's equals to x. So from here, 5 plus 2x, you times with x. So from here you get 8 minus x is equals to 5x plus with 2x squared. Okay, from here we're going to form a quadratic equation, guys. So what you do, this 8 minus x, you move it over to the right hand side. So from here you get 2x squared plus 6x minus 8 is equals to 0. Okay, so this quadratic expression we can simplify by divide the whole equation by 2. So from here, when you divide the whole quadratic equation by 2, you get x squared plus 3x minus 4 equals to 0. Okay, once you cannot further simplify, what you do, you factorize this quadratic equation. So from here you get x minus 1 in a bracket x plus 4 is equals to 0. Okay, now you're having two values over here. Okay, let us continue. So from here you get your values is x equals to 1 and x equals to negative 4. So therefore we already know that the second x value we obtain is x equals to negative 4. Since x equals to 1 we have already obtained from the question B part 1, which they mentioned in the question itself, guys. So that means your second x value we have already get here, which is x equals to negative 4. Okay, from the working over here. Okay, so I hope I have managed to explain you the concept of the map onto itself, guys. So let me repeat again. Let's say if your x is equals to 1 or as an object, that means when you mapping as an image, you also will get the same answer. So that is the concept of map onto itself, guys. Your object and your image is the same value. Okay, let me put back the question paper for your reference. So please hold on for a moment, guys. Alright, that is all for the step-by-step working and solution for this question. I hope you understand the full working that I've shown to you. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more upcoming mathematics tutorial videos in the future. Alright, thank you everyone for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.